Imagine a flower that not only beautifies your garden, but also boosts your health. Hibiscus isn't just pretty, it's powerful. This vibrant plant has been cherished for centuries, and today we'll explore why its benefits are too good to ignore. Hibiscus originates from tropical climates, especially Africa and Asia. Historically, it's been used in traditional medicine. Ancient cultures relied on it for various health issues, making it a revered remedy. Let's dive into the top 5 health benefits of hibiscus. First, it helps lower blood pressure. Studies show that hibiscus can reduce hypertension effectively. Second, it's rich in antioxidants, which fight free radicals. Third, hibiscus aids liver health, protecting it from damage. Fourth, it can help in weight management by boosting metabolism. Finally, it reduces cholesterol levels, promoting heart health. Now, how can you consume hibiscus? First, try it as a refreshing tea. Just steep dried petals in hot water. Second, blend it into smoothies for added flavor. Third, make hibiscus-infused water. It's perfect for hydration. Fourth, incorporate it in salads for a colorful twist. Lastly, use hibiscus powder in baking for a unique taste. Are you wondering which forms of hibiscus to buy? Look for dried flowers or tea bags. Both are widely available and effective. Hibiscus supplements are also an option, but check for quality. Research backs these benefits. A 2019 meta-analysis showed significant blood pressure reduction. A study on liver protection highlights its importance. Another study revealed its ability to lower cholesterol. Ready for a challenge? For the next 30 days, incorporate hibiscus into your daily routine. Notice how you feel as you experience its benefits firsthand. Don't miss out on the power of hibiscus. Imagine starting each day with a cup of hibiscus tea, feeling energized and refreshed. As the warm liquid flows through you, you might find yourself smiling, knowing you're not just savoring a delightful flavor, but also nourishing your body with antioxidants that fight against free radicals. Each bite not only delights the taste buds, but also enriches them with the health benefits hibiscus offers, making every moment shared a step towards promoting wellness. Imagine feeling reassured knowing science backs your choice, steering you towards better health outcomes while enjoying a delightful sip of this versatile flower. In summary, incorporating hibiscus into your daily routine not only enhances your health, but also uplifts your culinary experience. The content in this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for personalized guidance regarding your health. Do not disregard or delay seeking medical advice based on anything presented here. Hit that like button, drop a comment, subscribe for more, and share with your friends. Appreciate the support.